Hi guys, this is your girl janNOE'S and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'll be making some gingerbread cookies and let me show you what I'm working with today. So I have some molasses here, I have some brown sugar, 1 egg, some butter, salt, I have some vanilla extract, I have baking soda, I have ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg, and I have my flour here guys. So we're gonna start baking. So guys, I have 3 cups of flour here, so I'm gonna put it in my bowl. I'm gonna sift it. So I have 3 cups of flour here guys. So I'm gonna start by putting half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, that's the main thing for your gingerbread cookies guys. 1 tablespoon of ginger. So I'm gonna put in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, I'm gonna put in half a teaspoon of baking soda, just half a teaspoon of baking soda. Yes guys, so I'm gonna sift my flour. Look at that guys, see, that's why you want to sift it. That's looking good. So I'm gonna put in 1 pinch of salt, just a little bit, just a pinch of salt, and I'm gonna mix that. So that's for the dry ingredients guys. That's looking good for the dry ingredients. So in my bowl here guys, I'm gonna put 170 grams of butter in my bowl. Room temperature butter guys. Room temperature butter. So I'm gonna use my hand mixer to mix my butter. I'm gonna start with a low speed. That's what I'm looking for guys. So now I'm gonna put in half a cup of brown sugar. I'm gonna mix that again. So now I'm gonna put in 1 egg. I'm gonna mix that again. So you want to scrape the sides of your bowl guys. So guys, now I'm gonna put in half a cup of molasses. For those who don't know what molasses is made out of the sugarcane juice. Yeah. So half a cup of molasses, and I'm gonna put in like a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And I'm gonna mix that again. Look at that color. So yes guys, that's what I'm looking for. Look at that. So now I'm going to put in the flour gradually. I have 3 cups of flour. Just want to put that little by little, not too much. Just want to mix that well. Put in some more. So I'm gonna put the flour in thirds, guys. I have 3 cups. I have 2 cups there now. So now I'm gonna put in the last cup, guys. Want to mix well. You want to take your time to mix everything. You want to mix the flour well with the sugar and the butter. Look at that, guys. That is looking beautiful. I think I need a wooden spoon, guys. So I have my wooden spoon so I can mix it properly. That is looking good, guys. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna put this on some wax paper. Yeah. Or parchment paper. So I have here some parchment paper, guys. I'm gonna place that right here, so. Look at that. Just gonna cover it like so. I'm gonna press it down. Why I'm pressing it down, guys, because I'm gonna put it in the fridge for about an hour or less if you want. You just want it to get a little stiff. After I'm gonna take my rolling pin, I'm just gonna roll it out a little bit So that will make it much easier for me to roll it out. That's the trick. That is the trick, guys. So that's it, guys. So I'm going to place that in the refrigerator just for about an hour or less, guys. When you touch it, you see it well, you can work it. It's good enough to work with. You can take it out. And I'm going to put mine for about 1 hour. Yes, guys. So yes, guys, it's been about an hour now, guys. I have my cookie dough right here. Look at that. That is looking nice and stiff. So I'm just gonna put some flour on there. I'll flip it over. Some flour on there. Yeah. Just want to roll it out. I think it's too much, a little too frozen, guys. So if you can leave yours for less than an hour, it's going to be good. That is looking good. That is looking good. So I have my baking pan here. Put some parchment paper in there. And I have my little cookie cutters, guys. So I'm going to use this to cut our cookies, guys. So before you start, you want to preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, guys. Yes, guys, so I'm going to start cutting my Look at that little man. Look at that little man. I have small ones and bigger ones, all shapes and sizes. Look at that, guys. I have the little baby ones too. All hot. So I'm gonna cut all of them, guys, and place them on my baking sheet. So yes, guys, that is what my gingerbread cookies are looking like, guys. They're looking amazing. Yeah, so I have some stars, some gingerbread, some little man. I have heart. Yeah, I have a shooting star. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this in the oven, guys, for 15 to 20 minutes. So yes, guys, don't forget you want to bake this for 15 to 20 minutes, guys. Look at that, guys. Look how beautiful that looks. It looks delicious. So yes guys, my gingerbread cookies are ready guys, and look how delicious they look. Just have to let them cool down. Yeah, that looks good and that smells good too guys. So guys, you know what to do. Start by liking that video guys. Start giving this a like and subscribe guys. Look at those beautiful cookies. So I'm gonna let them cool down guys for about 10 minutes or so. Yeah. So you want to put your cookies on a wire rack to cool down, because you don't want to leave it in the same baking pan guys. So you want to take it out so it can cool down nicely. Yeah, it's starting to cool down guys. Look at that. Look at this cookies. So yes guys, that is the finished product. So if you like my gingerbread cookies guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share it with a friend. And hit that notification bell to get notified each time I post another video. Subscribe guys. Just subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.